अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे व्यूवर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और मज़े में होंगे। आपकी दुआ से मैं भी ठीक ठाक हूँ। आज ही हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो कि टीचर और स्टूडेंट से रिलेटेड है। टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट बहुत ही बार डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, समझ नहीं पाते किस तरह से हम अपना रोज़मर्रा का स्टडी प्लान बनाएं, लेसन प्लान बनाएं, जिसको फॉलो करके हम एक सक्सेसफुल वे में चल सकें। क्योंकि ये बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग होता है कि कहाँ से शुरू करें, कहाँ पर ख़त्म करें, किस टाइम पर पढ़ा जाए, किस टाइम पर ना पढ़ा जाए, किस स्टडी प्लान को फॉलो किया जाए जिससे आप इजीली एग्ज़ाम में पास हो सकते हैं, या अपने क्लास में आप पढ़ा सकते हैं, या आप अपना कोई टॉपिक तैयार करके जा सकते हैं, या प्रोफेसर जो है अपना एक प्लान बनाते हैं। Here are 6 powerful tools that you can follow for your schools and for your universities. This is very important. I do know this. Being distracted and not knowing how to focus can make each day a challenge. This is a very challenging for each one. Checking the mobile phone on and off throughout the day won't help you get any closer to a goal, but it will keep you up to date on the news. If it's too complicated, you won't do it. If it takes too much time, you won't be motivated to continue. This is as usual. Welcome to your beloved channel Study with Fola. Let's start today's video. We will discuss 6 powerful tools with 6 steps. Step number 1. Make one study goal a day. Narrow down your workload instead of overwhelming yourself. The best way to get your mind on board to concentrate on studying is to start the day with a question. What is the one thing I am committed to completing today? This is very important question that one can ask themselves, that why I am committed to completing today, why it's so important that I have to finish it. Like, it will encourage you to think like in a strategic form about the day, keep you focused on your top study goal, and force you to prioritize the one goal that you want to reach by the end of the day. This does not mean that you don't have many study goals, but it means that you have one important goal that you have to finish one day. Read a certain number of chapters or practice, for example, you can, so that you can concentrate better on your other goals in the day that you have to follow. How can you practice it? Write the question in big bold letters on a sheet or a paper and hang it on your bedroom or bedroom wall. If you hang it in bedroom or bedroom wall, you can watch it, you can read it on and off. Pick a location where you can easily see the question as soon as you wake up. So this is very important to practice it and calculate the. Step number 2. Tackle the most important part or study material early. It's all about taking advantage of your time, dedication, activities. We are more likely to do best at certain times of the day. That way you maximize your peak performance time. In this way you can decide your peak performance time. Important questions and answer for student team teachers that comes in their mind. बहुत ही important question जब हम ये टैकल नहीं कर पाते स्टडी मटेरियल को, तो हमारे माइंड में आ जाते हैं। अक्सर स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स ये सवाल करते हैं कि कौन सा जो टाइम है बेस्ट टाइम होता है स्टडी के लिए। When should you study? What's a better time? What are their benefits? So, for most people, your brain's peak performance time is 2 to 4 hours after you wake up. This is the time when your brain can focus on analytical thinking that requires the most concentration for studying. This can be reading, writing, coding, analyzing, critical thinking, or problem solving. When you wake up, 2 or 3 hours are very important for study. When should you study? Again, if you wake up at 8, your peak time is 10 to 12, and just because it's noon does not mean you have to stop. Feel free to extend this time for another hour or so to maximize your peak performance and wrap up an important. तो मेरे प्यारे साथियों, स्टेप नंबर 3 क्या है? अरेंज अ टाइमर फॉर मेंटेनिंग अ बेटर स्टडी सेशन. This means you don't need to be sitting at your desk for hours in order to pass an exam with top marks. इसमें जी आपको हर टाइम एक जगह पर बैठ के हर टाइम स्टडी नहीं करना टॉप मार्क्स लेने के लिए. यूज अ टाइमर टू बेटर arrange your study session. That's why you allow your brain to focus in a more targeted way, effective way. Here are some examples you can follow and you can maintain and enhance your capability of reading and studying. Read and review study material. Set the timer to 60 or 30 or 60 minutes, and you can increase your time with the concentration, with the easiness. For early shots, you can just read 25 minutes block of time followed by 5 minutes break. या आप 25 मिनट पढ़ सकते हो, 5 मिनट ब्रेक ले सकते हो, और फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आप 30 मिनट्स पर लेके जाओ, फिर 60 मिनट्स पे लेके जाओ. एकदम से जो है आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम अगर आप अलाउ कर देंगे स्टडी को तो वो बोरियत की वजह बन जाएगा और आप फिर रीड नहीं कर पाएंगे. Practice exam questions. This is very also important. Use the review questions from your textbook or hand notes prepared by your professors. You can also create your own questions based on the most important concepts from each chapter. Write the questions down on a sheet of paper. Use these techniques to rehearse for the exam. Give yourself. Step number 4. Create your own notes. This is very important step. By this mean, don't just sit and read the textbook passively. Write stuff down. That improves your brain's cognitive skill, makes retention of information easier and boosts memory. The important steps here: write relevant, create list, use colors. Key concept, ideas and topics is very important. Don't waste your time writing down every single word. Instead, boost your critical thinking skills by identifying what is relevant to the topic. All the things that are relevant to your topic you can write down in your notes. Create a list. This saves time, enables you to skim the material when you need it. By skimming your material, you can easily handle it, you can easily rehearse it. This is also very important. Use colors. By using colors, you can highlight your things, you can more specified, and you can betterly prioritize your things, what is important, what is not important. Use a yellow color, red color, and by coloring also get your attention. This is very important thing. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को कलर करते हो तो वो और ज़्यादा इन्हांस हो जाती है और आपको जो है पढ़ने में, और आप उसको डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि कौन सा कलर मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वही लाइन ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वही लाइन नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट. स्टेप नंबर 5. फिनिश योर डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. आपको जी बहुत सी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को सामना करना पड़ता है, तो डोंट लेट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस रूल योर लाइफ. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. Here's how average scenario you can follow. You think you will spend 10 minutes browsing Facebook or Twitter, and next thing you know, how hours pass by. In addition, you start to feel overwhelmed and even stressed out with all that information overloaded. It's time to minimize the noise. Check your email 2 to 3 times a day. Around lunchtime, after in the afternoon and evening, you can check by your mail, and in this way you can लेस डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. अगर आप चेक ही नहीं करोगे अपनी ईमेल, और ये भी नहीं कहा जा सकता कि आप बिल्कुल ही सोशल मीडिया से दूर हो जाएं. अगर आप इस तरह से करेंगे आप बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, आपका माइंड जो है बार बार उधर जाएगा. तो आप अपना 2-3 बार जो है दिन में अपना ईमेल और अपना सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट चेक कर सकते हैं. सेट योर फोन टू एयरप्लेन मोड. सिर्फ जब आपने स्टडी करनी है तो उसको एयरप्लेन मोड पे लगा दीजिए ताकि आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सके. अदरवाइज यू कैन स्विच on your phone and you can use your phone. Set expectations with others. This is very important thing. By letting them know you won't be available in the next few hours. This can apply to family members, classmates and close friends. आप अपने दोस्तों को इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए कुछ घंटे के लिए मैं अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू डिस्टर्ब यू. उनके माइंड में होगा जी आप स्टडी करने लगे हैं, सो वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. Last step number 6. Don't forget to get enough sleep. This is why finally this is a very important thing. Sleep is very important. If you are not sleeping properly, and then you can't learn properly. Sleep can help us learn and memorize in a better way, also give our brain time to get rid of unnecessary waste, sleep deprivation, and reduce our tensions and relax our mind. I hope this video is very helpful for you. This goal is to help you organize your day in a better way, boost focus, get motivated, and reduce your stress related to studying. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, Study with Kola. Comment in the comment section and ask your questions in the comment section. And if you like it, kindly please share with others so they also get some benefit from my videos. Thank you. मिलते हैं न्यू वीडियो के साथ. अल्लाह हाफिज.